Maya, Leo, and Sam arrive at a beach, confronted by an overwhelming landscape of scattered plastic and discarded trash. Maya's face fills with disgust as she picks up a plastic bottle. Leo points towards the water, his expression etched with concern as he looks out over the polluted sea. Maya exclaims, "Look at all this trash. It's hurting the sea turtles." Sam pulls on protective gloves, ready to confront the environmental crisis head-on. Leo moves with practiced efficiency, sorting through trash and filling recycling bags. Sam kneels, discovering a crab trapped in plastic rings. He frees the crab from its plastic prison. The eco-heroes stand back, their work transforming the beach into a shining expanse. Leo declares, "We did it, team." Sam reminds everyone, "But remember, we all need to reduce, reuse, and recycle every day." They high-five under a "thank you" banner as happy sea animals swim nearby.